Hi guys, my name is Maria and this is Forex Review. Today we discuss three currency pairs. This is United States dollar, we see Canadian dollar, Euro dollar, and we'll take Euro Swiss franc. Those are three instruments that I think are interesting from the technical part for you. And if you are in shock now what's going on with the Great Britain pound, don't worry, I will make later a little review about that, and I will give you technical ideas to my Telegram channel. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, subscribe to this Telegram channel, and of course press these fingers up. It means that you like my videos. Thank you very much. Guys, subscribe to YouTube channel and press the bell so you are online when I do make my next video and you get it on time. Also, by the way, I would be really thankful to you if you write down time in your area when it is comfortable for you to get my videos. For example, I live in India and my time in India in this city is like that, and this is the mostly time when I check the YouTube channel, morning, daytime or evening. You will really help me to make you videos that are on time for you, not interesting time for me and useful time for me or comfortable time for me, but the time when you usually check the YouTube channel and when it is comfortable for you to watch my videos when you trade. Okay, I hope you do understand me and I hope you will comment it under the video. Thank you very much. Well, today we go to Canadian dollar, and just give me 1 minute. I open the technical part and I give you my view for this currency pair. Look here, I usually like to give you technical picture with history. So here we go. You see a good, this is the monthly chart, and you see a really good level of resistance here in 2016, 2015. Yeah, it was 5 years ago. The level that was good is 1.46, okay? The level of resistance from 5 years ago. We have to know what was in history and we use it nowadays. So yeah, in history that was a good level of resistance. Also look here. Here is a horizontal line for the Ishimoku cloud. Right here, you see? It was far ago in 2003, far ago. But nowadays, in 2020, we can use this level, the horizontal line, as a level of resistance that market will touch and go down from that side. But this is not a signal to sell now. Wait. I'm only trying to show you on monthly chart how you can check the history levels and how you can use it nowadays. Let's go to weekly chart. What can we take from here? We can put Ishimoku cloud, Ishimoku indicator also to this chart. Is there any horizontal parts? Look here, in 2004 there was a horizontal part with the Senkobe, with the Ishimoku cloud, and it also gives us an opportunity to use it as a level of resistance. For now, I do give my forecasts and I do give my trading ideas to my trading club in Russian-speaking area every day. And like this week, still, I do give rare trading ideas to my English-speaking area traders. That in like 1 week, I hope my trading club will work for English-speaking area trading club, and I will give you more videos on YouTube. I will give you more trading ideas in my trading channel as well. Okay, so please stay in touch and yeah, of course, follow my ideas, follow what I give. For my Russian trading club, I was given these levels as a forecast, and yes, they bought it. Okay. Now, we do have some level of resistance, and you think, well, that is the moment to sell. No yet. This is not a moment to sell. Look here, we go to 1 hour chart and 4 hour chart. How can we decide that this is a moment to sell? We do measure all the way up for this currency pair with the Fibonacci levels. You always ask me to give you more information about these Fibonacci levels. For now, I still didn't make videos, educational videos, but I do use these levels to give you an idea how to use them in trading right now. Okay, so yes, you have this upgoing price, and you measure all this way up with the Fibonacci levels, and you get three levels. The correction ones: 1.44, 1.4265, and after that 1.40. You can sell this currency pair only under 1.4420. If the price goes under this level, after that you can get this level 1.4260. Before the breakdown of this level of support, do not sell. Okay, you can sell, you can sell from 1.4620 with the target 1.45 or 1.44, but the long-term targets to sell you can open only under 1.44. Okay, from here, from 1.44 on 1 hour chart, if you see the price going a little bit under this price, and after that the close price of 1 hour chart will be above 1.44, this is the moment to buy with the target 1.4620. So until you don't see the breakdown of this level of support, you can work this range 144, 146. Okay, this is about 2000 pips if you trade with the fifth sign after the dot. So this is a huge range that you can use even today. This is what I think is okay for Canadian dollar, but wait. Let me show you monthly chart, and this is monthly chart again, and I would like to mention that above 1.46, here is a target to buy this currency pair with a target 1.5860. When the price on daily chart will be above 1.46, this is a moment to buy with a target 1.5860. This is a really huge target, but market can give you this, okay? What you should wait for is to have the close price above that level of resistance, 1.46. I hope this is understandable, and we can go to our next currency pair. If you still have questions about the United States dollar with the Canadian dollar, please ask them above, and I wish you profits with these ideas. About the euro dollar, what I think is good to trade now. Well, first of all, we go to weekly chart, and I would like to remind you about this level of support, 1.0850. We had this level of support as a target one, and we did get this target this year. After that, market gave us a huge way up. And what we see today, the price is near this level of support again. When you see the daily chart under 1.0850, you need to have the close price under 1.0850. After that, your target to sell is 1.0670. Just remember those two levels. When you see the close price, daily close price under 1.0850, sell with the target 1.0670. What you should do on 1 hour chart for our chart? You should use tendency lines. First of all, you need to draw the tendency line from 9th of March. After that, please draw the tendency line from 17th of March. And those are two tendency lines that are okay to use as an entry point with the short positions and to work long positions. Okay? If you see the price breaking down this tendency line from March 17th, after that you should enter market with the long positions to the target like 1.10, 1.1050. If you see the break down from here, if you see the price touching this tendency line and touching, going back down, touching, going back down, so this is the moment to sell with the targets that you heard before. That is what you can use intraday. If we go to monthly chart, I would like to remind you about this picture, and you know this, that current price is not the lowest one in the history, and euro dollar may go down to 1.05. It may also go to 1.03. Current price is not the lowest one in the history, and due to facts that we have now in financial systems or in the world with the coronavirus, I can't hold this information inside of me. Of course, we do have problem with coronavirus. Due to all these facts and due to all the monetary policy changed in the world now, you know that price for this currency pair may go even lower than you see it now. And you need to be sure that you know levels that market will touch and will fill them. I hope my information helps you. Okay, but euro dollar, I did show you what I see. And by the way, look here, we have downtrend. Downtrend, guys. Nothing is giving us an idea that this is a moment to buy now. And of course, we will use this downtrend on monthly chart as well. After the price breaks down 1.05, it may go to 1.03, even to 1. And the middle part of this tendency, the tendency that takes beginning in 2008, the middle part is about 1. So yeah, this is the moment where price can stop falling. I hope this will be useful. Now we go to euro with the Swiss franc and get ready for new information. I know that I gave you already this currency pair, but I'm not sure if you do trade it now. What I would like to pay your attention to. Here is a downtrend from 2018, and yes, right here, it's the price going down. And there is still no signal to buy. The downtrend, the tendency from last December is still downtrend. And your target to sell is 1.0470, 1.0430. And after that, price will go to 1.03, 1.0320. Those are two levels that you need to hold in your mind and to open short positions. But it's not that easy. It's not like you just sell right now and you are in profit. You need to go to 1 hour chart, to 4 hour chart and check what's going on. Look here, the market fills a really good level of support. It's 1.0540, 1.0550. What do you see now? The price is going down, down again, and here is a shadow on the bottom part, and after that it goes up really fast. Second time, the price is trying to go down under 1.0550, and after that it goes up again. This is like a fake breakdown. So the price is trying to give you wrong information. What we see now, the price is breaking down really hard this level of support. But after you see that there is no buyer and no candles trying to go up again, so you know that price is stable under 1.0550, sell please, okay? So sell with a target 1.05, 1.04 and so on. If we have an idea that euro can go down, if we have an idea that Swiss franc is, well, actually, the monetary policy, I gave you an idea to Telegram channel. The monetary policy now is not welcome for us to buy Swiss franc, but it's okay to sell euro dollar actually. So yeah, if you see that we are okay with selling euro and it's not that hard for us not to buy Swiss franc now, there are not a lot of people who are buying Swiss franc no matter to monetary policy actually, because we see that monetary policy does not help now to markets. Franc is trying to hold situation. It's not that okay for world market now, and all decisions that were made this week are not helping to hold markets from falling down. And I think that actually steps that the National Swiss Bank is making also will not help that much to Swiss franc to be weak. And yeah, I think that some moment will begin to give traders a signal to sell the currency pair United States dollar versus Swiss franc, so the Swiss franc will become harder and harder, and this will be for us the moment to sell this currency pair. So I do not think that Swiss franc is okay to buy now. I don't buy it. I mean the currency pair United States dollar versus Swiss franc. And for this currency pair, it is okay to sell, but only when you see the price is being stable under this current level of support, which is level of resistance now. But still, you should be aware of the situation when market is giving you a fake breakdown. This is a really tricky situation, and the market is trying to give you the stop loss, not the profit. I hope you use this for Euro Swiss franc, and of course, if in some moment you are not sure that you are doing a good thing and you are doing it right, remember about the tendency that we have from the history, but you should put stop loss. No matter what is our long-term idea, no matter what is our short-term idea, we have to put stop loss. For example, something happening in the world now, and for example, some comments become in media that make some currency to fall down or to go up really fast, like in 1 hour, really high or really far down. And it just happens because huge traders come to market and listen some news and they decide to give this huge volatility. It may happen. In these moments, you can lose your money that you did put to trade, okay? So yeah, be careful with these situations. Guys, also I would like to remind you about the idea for Nikkei, and yeah, it's not the moment to talk about it right now, but it was okay to sell with the target 20,000, it was okay to sell with the target 18,000, and now the next target to sell was 16,000, 15,850. Maybe the market will make a little break, but remember please that the tendency is still downtrend. Yeah, the tendency is still going down, and this is not a moment to buy actually. No matter what's going on with the monetary policies, the market still can give you lower prices, and you know what those lower prices are. And if you use this tendency line, you do understand that here is still a moment to sell. For example, from 18,000, if the price is touching this level of resistance and this tendency line, this may be a moment to sell with the target 16,000 and 15,800. I hope this will help you guys. So yeah, push these fingers under my video, join my channel, join my Telegram channel, and of course press the bell so you are on time when I do my next video. Guys, I will ask you again to write down in comments what is the time that is useful for you to watch my videos when you trade a lot. Okay, so I would like to make videos that will be more useful for you in your area. I live in Europe, I live in the United States of America, I live in Asia, I live in India, I live in you. Please write where are you from and what is your trading time. Thank you very much one more time. See you later, and I wish you profits. Bye bye.